Pataas na tayo. Pataas na tayo. Wala akong video dati dito. Mali yun ang mamaya dyan tayo sa cable car. Ikaw? Dyan tayo sasakay mamaya eh. Ayun, sumilayo na tayo kanina sa ulo.
Pinuntahan natin kanina. Huwag ka talikot.
Picture ka kaya. Para hindi ka patanga-tanga dyan.
Ay, thank you ah. Ay, ganda mo no. Parang baka. Kasi magkano eh.
Well, here we are at the top. 131 meters
Ay, oh, mahal oh.
Oo.
Doon yung pinuntahan natin, yun yung beach oh.
Oo naman ko na mo.
Ang ganda pala eh. Yung beach oh, pupunta tayo doon sa island.
Yung Doraemon po, hindi na gana. Hello.
Hi. Wala akong mahal na wala yung kanina, hindi na, ano ko yung,
Bakit?
natakpan ko yung camera eh.
On Sentosa,
Ayun, doon,
try to
doon,
spot the
doon, doon.
distinctive white
Asan?
circular building. This is the Rasa Sentosa
Natakpan ko ng
Resort.
kamay eh.
It's the only five-star beachfront hotel in Singapore that offers rooms overlooking the South China Sea, just meters away from Sentosa's unbroken stretch of sandy white beaches.
Singapore.
Singapore na.
Notice that enormous site filled with bulldozers
Ano, ayaw mo
hard at
dito?
work? That's where the
Huh?
exciting resorts world at Sentosa is being built. Home to a host of thrilling attractions, including Universal Studios and spectacular features like Asia's largest
Balanggot mo
theme
may
park.
Elsie. Pakita mo yung balanggot mo may Elsie. Huwag kang tumayo! Ang makulit naman eh.
And from Sentosa, hop into a glass bottle, see tiny cars and humans moving underneath you, and spot a giant net, which is the butterfly park and insect kingdom. If creepy crawlies are not your cup of tea, go next door to the Sentosa 4D Magics and Cineplex. This show combines 3D film with 4D effects.
Nakakatakot naman dumaan doon, hanging bridge.
Next to the Tiger Sky Tower is the Merlion.
Ano tayo
This
sa East
half-fish,
Line?
half-lion creature is an enduring symbol of Singapore. Visit to unravel its mysteries before taking a short walk to the images of Singapore, where history comes alive. Then take the Sentosa Luge, a
Ayan,
grounding fine
sapat
line
yun.
down to Siloso Beach,
Alay pa.
and return on a gentle chairlift. Just beyond the Merlion is Palawan Beach, home to the highly intelligent pink dolphins.
Kakasilaw?
And for more underwater adventures, go no further than Underwater World, home to more than 2,500 fish.
Ano
The
ba
Tiger
ba
Sky
tayo?
Tower, together with these amazing attractions, makes up an exciting zone of activity known as Athea Lookout.
Ganda no?
Oh, Baba naman.
Bye! Ba't tayo, mahal? Ipindutin ko to, di ba? No, ba't ayaw?